Somewhere over the rainbow. And if I sing it like this, somewhere over the rainbow. Same person, same voice, but the only difference is my posture. Posture is the physical structure that fixes your sound to bring out the best that it can produce. So if you stay with me in this video, I'm going to help you to fix your posture problem so that when you sing, you will sing to your full potential. Are you ready? Let's get started. Think about how you actually sit on the table, or you are pressing your phone. You're like this, pressing your phone. You're trying to find out what is written there. You're trying to just check something, you're bending, or you're just relaxing like this. When you're on your own, you're not singing, you're not speaking. My dear, once someone says sing, or you just feel like singing, you see yourself still in that position. Maybe you're like this, somewhere over the rainbow, or you're like this, somewhere, or you're even singing with the choir. And instead of you to hold your book well, you're slouching somewhere, or you're doing like this, somewhere. You see, these are all bad postures. Now I'm going to give you 5 common mistakes that people make that makes their posture affect their singing. So one of the common mistakes, the first one is the way you place your head. You will see someone place their head because they want to sing bars. They'll be like, somewhere over the rainbow. They're pressing their larynx. I call it barsosis. Okay, right from time I've always been calling that barsosis. It's not a good tech. It's not a good posture because you want to sing bars. You press it, and if you keep doing that, you could hurt yourself. So if you want to sing bars, you're a bar singer. What you will do is to sing your normal range. You see, you have the range, you have the ability. It's not by bending or looking, putting your head down that makes you a bass singer. Just some, open up well. Somewhere over the rainbow. It's better than doing, bring your head down. If I catch you. Second mistake they do, I call this the tenorisis because it is common with the tenor singers. It's common with you guys. When you're singing, you think that the high note is up there. Somewhere over the rainbow. All these tenor men, they are the ones very, 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 very familiar with that. And even some soprano singers, they do that, especially when they're trying to reach high notes. Raising up your head, you're scooping your sound, you're not allowing it to flow. Just maintain your posture. So, not so, you see, it will hurt you. You could get pain, or it could hurt you. So what you do is, somewhere over the rainbow. You know, in my other video last time, I taught you on how to be able to sing passaggio, that is to move smoothly just by raising up your eyebrows. So, somewhere over the rainbow, somewhere. You see it? Okay. Now the third one is that you're singing with the choir like this. Somewhere over the rainbow. Wrong. You don't do that. Put yourself together. Keep your shoulders relaxed and down. Raise your book up. Don't be like this. It's bad posture. Somewhere over the rainbow. Classic. Good. Now, another problem, feet together like this, and then you're singing. Somewhere, if there is more tension, over the rainbow, your body will be shaking. What you are supposed to do is to open the leg a feet apart. This is a feet. You open it so that you can have balance. Somewhere over the rainbow. You see that? That is more relaxed. So that is the third mistake. Now the fourth mistake I see people make is to keep raising their shoulders. Somewhere over the rainbow. My dear, you're causing tension here. And it's hurting your voice. That's why when you finish singing, you feel pain everywhere because you're not allowing yourself to breathe. You're not allowing yourself to relax and enjoy the music. Bring your shoulders down. Okay? And then go. Somewhere over the rainbow. That is better. Okay? So now we've done the four common mistake. And now the fifth one is putting your chin to one side. So you will see some singers. Somewhere over the rainbow. You see that? You see that? You shouldn't spoil your beautiful face because you are singing. Imagine if you're singing like this always. Easy, easy. You see that, especially when you want to do this and run to show them, oh yeah, I'm singing this and that. Don't do that. You sure you don't need to move anything when you're doing your reeds. Easy, easy, easy. That is better than you doing oh and changing the way you look. If you keep doing oh before you know you start talking like this, and people ask you why, you say it's because you're a singer. And so what I'll tell you now to do is to go to the wall, place yourself on the wall, set your calves. Okay, make sure that your calves are not touching the wall. These are calves. This is what I call calves. Okay, so you set it. Don't let it touch the wall. Your knees are slightly bent. Then open your feet apart and then carry yourself out and then try and sing. Somewhere over the rainbow. When you go to your chair, you sit the same way, carry yourself like that. You sit on your chair and then you sing. Somewhere over the rainbow. If you're singing with your book, way up high. That's beautiful. Okay? So I'll be rooting for you. I want to see how this shift of singing well with good posture has helped you to sing with your full voice. If you want to also help yourself to sing so much better, I have a lot of video here on YouTube that helps you to sing better. Gotcha!